Buenas gente, como dicen que les va, bienvenidos al episodio número 3 de la temporada 4 de Walking Dead. Espero que les esté gustando mucho todos estos capítulos, toda la serie. De ser así, denle like al video, suscríbanse, subo video todos los días y en la parte de la descripción les dejo mi canal de Twitch, donde hago directos casi todos los días, por lo general son 2 o 3 veces a la semana, jugando diversos juegos online. Acá en la parte de la imagen les dejo la parte de abajo, de acá abajo, en el pie de la imagen, está mi canal de Twitch y mi canal de YouTube. Espero que les guste el video y de ser así, recuerden darle like al video. Que lo disfruten.
He's gonna let us stay, right?
I guess we're gonna find out. Let's find his office.
I know where it is. I'll show you. Up here. Come on, Clem, this way.
Hey, AJ, wait up.
Tin's here.
Hey, Clem. Thanks for the pencils. I missed having colors.
Sure thing.
Who are these guys?
They're firefighters. That one's a policeman. She's gonna save the day.
But what are they?
These were the people who protected us.
Where are they? I've never seen one before.
They're still out there. Someday, maybe you'll meet one.
That would be cool.
Super cool. Now, give it to me and...
No, he's mine now.
Hey, give it back.
No.
You don't even know what they are.
Okay, that's enough, you two.
It's not yours anymore.
Would it be alright if he played with it a little longer? Just until we go?
I guess.
Good choice.
Do you know where Marlon is?
Puede ser que me haya equivocado con
I
eso.
don't know. He should be around. I can go find him.
That'd be nice. Thanks, Ten.
Tenés que aprender a compartir.
Look.
Hey, what'd you find?
It's a picture of Marlon and Lewis. They're so little.
Wow, they've known each other a long time, huh?
Mal.
Marlon? Stay back.
Whoa, what the hell's going on? Hey, it's okay, go. There you go. You said dogs brought back bad memories. I'm sorry. I didn't realize you were so scared of them. But I swear, Rosie's not as frightening as she seems. Sit, girl. See? She's harmless. She just needs to get to know you is all. Here, I'll show you. Do you trust me? Rosie, shh. Sorry. I promise she's not gonna bite.
Okay, I guess.
Get down on her level. Better get your scent. It's okay. She's not gonna hurt you. There you go. Now whistle and tell her to lie down.
Lie down, Rosie.
Wow. Wow.
That's so cool.
Mal.
Not so hard.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
And now Rosie will recognize you. She's really well trained. she was the headmaster's dog, back when this place was still functional. But when the world went to shit, he bailed. All the other adults did. Left us behind to fend for ourselves.
Wow, what a dick.
Understatement of the century. Now it's just us kids left. And I'd like it if you and AJ were a part of that. Both of you are plenty capable, and we need that. Here. This is the current state of our plan for gathering food. We are starting to run short. It's getting harder and harder to feed everyone in this school.
Ni se te ocurra ir ahí. Ok. El río calculo que es una zona llena de zombies.
I didn't realize how much forest surrounds this place.
It's how we've kept ourselves from unwanted attention for so long. Well, for the most part, anyway. That's the only road that leads in and out of Erickson. If you go off it, you'll eventually end up in the valley. We used to have signs that led people to the school, but I took them down. Wanted this place to be hard to find.
Me parece buena idea.
What's out here?
Oh, that's where we fish. I got a shack for storage right here, right along the river. It's secure mostly. Get the occasional walker or two come by. Vi and Brody should be heading out there in a bit.
What's the trap area?
The hunting grounds, more or less. Lewis built some traps out there to catch game. He and Sam are set to go check them today.
The greenhouse.
Oh, yeah. Well, don't get too excited about that one. We used to maintain it real well. Had plenty of vegetables growing. But it became overgrown. Upkeep was impossible. Yeah, we keep away from that now.
Yo intentaría hacerlo funcionar porque los invernaderos son muy importantes.
That's the train station. There was a whole stash of food under the floorboards.
Oh, where you crashed your car. Pretty sure that place is a lost cause. There's a hell of a lot of smoke coming from it when we found you two. Walkers flooded in there after all the noise you made. One more thing. See these red lines?
Yeah.
So everything inside is the safe zone. It's been getting smaller over the years, and food's become more scarce.
So, why not go outside it?
We can't. Whenever someone goes outside the safe zone, bad shit happens. People die or disappear. I just... I could really use the help, Clementine. Taking care of these kids, it's not easy.
Algo oculta
I'm
esto.
worried that if I don't figure something out, if I don't fix our food situation, I can't lose anyone else. We've already lost so much. Friends, siblings, I can't let another kid die.
I get it. I know how it feels to lose a friend.
Yeah? Well, multiply that by 30 and you'll know how I feel.
What?
Ha. Shit. Sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to come off like a dick. Everyone's counting on me to step up. Be the leader they need me to be. I really want to be that for them. You and AJ are two more mouths to feed. Maybe you can help me feed the rest.
So what do you need from us?
Lewis and Asim are heading to the hunting grounds, looking for rabbits. Well, Asim will, anyway. Lewis... just hope he shows up, if I'm really being honest. Violet and Brody are going upriver to do some spearfishing. And hopefully, those two get along long enough to get some work done. Both teams could use some extra hands.
Let's go do some hunting.
Yeah.
Take this. I don't want you getting lost.
Thanks.
We need all hands on deck if we're gonna find any more food. Just remember to stay in the safe zone. We need you to come back home in one piece.
So that means we can stay?
What? Do you think I was gonna throw you out?
Maybe.
Well, as long as we got enough to eat. both welcome here.
Ok, dependemos de la comida.
Go get him, AJ.
All right, let's get going.
See you around.
Me cae bien, pero tiene pinta de que oculta algo. Su reacción cuando dijo Clementine el tema de la zona segura.
Hunting grounds are usually clear of walkers. Sometimes they get caught in the snares and shit, though. You see a ribbon on a tree, traps are nearby. So watch where you step.
Please, I think I can handle myself. I'm basically a ninja. Skilled in the craft of martial arts.
Oh, you two? I thought I was the only one.
Me too.
Oh my god. We got work to do. Not all of us have the privilege of being Marlon's lapdog.
Oh, ouch. Someone's a little jealous. In my defense, I totally get things done. I just prefer to think of survival as more of a day-to-day task. So, you know, don't sweat the technique.
What about everyone else? We need to work together as a team.
I mean, sure, yeah, sometimes.
You act like you're the only one with a strategy. I play the long game. You gotta have plans B, C, and D.
And what if you don't make it that far?
Shut up a second.
Está colgando, me parece. Yep.
Ah! Hey! Check this guy out! He's like a walker pinata.
Cut it down, fix the snare, and let's go.
I will. Eventually.
If you want food for the kid, I could use a hand. Or you can mess around with this idiot and starve. It's up to you.
Oh, you can starve. So dramatic.
Necesitamos la comida.
Come to hunt? I hear something rustling around in here.
Yeah, let me help you out.
Thanks for taking this shit seriously. I'll never understand that idiot. You a good shot?
Yeah.
Good. I'll chase him out of the bush. You shoot.
Ah, es como cazar
Last
ardillas.
time I was out here, it looked like one of the rabbits had some babies. I'm not sure how many are still around, so careful where you shoot. Aim for the parents.
Ok.
You weren't lying. You're a damn good shot. Gonna need a few more like this if we're hoping to eat, though. I saw some others run this way.
En realidad las libreas no son tan fáciles de cazar. Sí me da mucha
Definitely
pena.
nailed the thing.
Clem, come here. Look, they got one.
Vamos rápido antes que se lo coma un zombie.
It's a baby.
Entonces hay que soltarlo.
Well, all meat is good meat.
No.
It's not enough. Release it. Let it get bigger.
Sí.
I'm hungry.
So am I. But we'll be even hungrier tomorrow if we don't let him go.
Tomorrow doesn't exist, dingus. There's just today. And today I'm hungry. We're hungry. Are you gonna do it? I can't watch.
Bye, Bunny.
Really? What are we supposed to eat tonight then?
Casi dos.
Ah, I get it. I wouldn't want to kill a baby bunny either.
You'll thank me in a few months.
If we live that long. All right. Well, the snares have all been reset and are ready to trap things. We good to go now, or what?
Thanks to Clem, we got more than I expected. Not enough for everyone, but enough to smile about. I'll take this back. You two should meet up with Brody and Violet and see if they've managed to snag any fish. This isn't gonna be enough for the whole school.
I like fish.
That's great. See ya.
Follow me. The girls are probably near the shack.
Ok.
Do you like fish?
I once ate a whole shark.
No, you didn't.
Se dio cuenta de que estabas mintiendo.
Where's Vi and Brody?
They should be here by now.
Clem, look. Monster.
Vi wouldn't have just left this out in the open. Wait, isn't that one of our spears?
Debe estar por acá cerca.
Clem, lock's busted. We might not be alone.
Ok.
It's clear.
Holy shit! This place is wrecked. All our supplies are gone. I'll take a look around outside. Hold tight.
Are we in danger?
Sí.
Maybe.
Y alguien estuvo hace poco tiempo.
Cigarette. Hand-rolled. Is this a Bible page?
Clementine?
What the hell happened in here? Do any of the kids smoke?
Nope, nothing to smoke.
No sign of our thief.
Thief?
Oh shit. We just walked a mile of river and the traps were all empty. No fish. None.
Someone robbed us?
Oh, great. And now we're gonna starve.
Fuck. That's... Fuck. Fuck. It's just... Fuck. It's okay. It's... Breathe, Brody. Come on. Come on, come on, come on.
You're gonna be fine.
Fuck. Fuck. Come on, come on.
It's just a panic attack.
Fuck.
No voy a decir nada. Está bastante alterado.
Just give me some space. I have to tell Marlon about this.
We still need food. You know, to live. We definitely don't have enough here.
You guys figure it out.
So what do we
Ok.
do? Eat rocks?
You can't eat rocks.
I'm aware.
Will Marlon kick us out if we don't find food?
Well, let's not find out.
Where else could we look?
Let me think.
Bueno, hay un solo lugar donde dice. La estación de ferrocarril, pero la estación de ferrocarril explotó con una granada y está llena de zombies. O sea, está bien, es la única zona donde me deja elegir, pero no la veo como
The
algo
train
muy
station. It's not too
fructífero.
far from here.
I don't know, that's pretty far outside our perimeter.
There was food in there when AJ and I passed through. It's worth a look.
You sure there was food?
Positive. Yeah, some of it was destroyed in the explosion, but there has to be something left. There was so much there.
Alright, fine. Lead the way.
Primera vez que salimos en exploración y desaparecemos a Marlon. This is bad. Y está lleno de zombies.
There. That's where the food is. A lot more walkers than last time, though.
También.
We're gonna die.
It's either die here or die from hunger. Take your pick. Clem, maybe you should scope things out. You know the place better.
Let me get a closer look. Can't be too careful. Could climb up there, but I don't know how that would get us inside. I need to get in there somehow. Maybe there's another way in. We barely got out of here. It was close.
Sounds scary.
There's a reason.
That bell might be able to get the walkers' attention. They do like to follow sound.
You look like you got an idea.
The noise from that bell could draw a lot of walkers. If one of us climbs up there and starts ringing it.
Lewis. I vote Lewis.
Hold on. I'd like to make an alternate suggestion.
Come on, Lou. You're loud, dramatic, a little annoying.
Okay, Prince Charming. Let's see those talents in action.
I can't say no to a face like that.
I'll go with you. Give you some cover.
Fine, I'll do it. But if I die, I'm making sure Walker Lewis eats both of you first. I'll distract him until I see you guys reach safe cover. Then, I'll try to redirect the smelly patrol to give you guys a chance to sprint inside the building.
When we get into position, I'll signal you. Then you can do your thing.
Good luck! Hey, ugly! No, not you. Not you either. Can't. Fine. Make this confusing, why don't you? You have no nose. There's a rotten hole in your head. Alright, someone get this done. Ready? Nobody? Just my hand. Nothing, really? No, it's not. It's Jingle Bell. How about this one? Really? Nobody knows this one? You guys are killing me.
So far, not dead. So far. I'll let Lewis know when we're ready.
Bet you can't grab a chair, man. Bet you can't grab a chair. Too slow. You suck.
Mira.
What is he waiting for? Come on, come on. Fucking Lewis.
Just give him a second.
We may not have a second. I'll watch the door for walkers.
Okay, AJ and I will sneak in, grab the food, and get out.
Sounds good. Let's make it quick.
Yo lo sabía, pero no me dio la opción. Además, Jane nos había enseñado que siempre hay que primero asegurarse. Esos bolsos
These will be perfect.
no estaban
Clem,
antes.
look. Try it out. See if it works. Gonna need your help on this one, kiddo. You still got your gun?
Just in case.
Just in case.
Yo la apagaría la lámpara. La pondría ahí abajo.
Good job, AJ. Is there more? Keep it coming.
Stand. Slowly. Don't yell. Don't try anything. I won't hurt you.
Ok.
I don't have to.
Who are you?
The name's Abel, and I'm hungry as hell.
Este estuvo en el puesto de pesca.
You and your friends made a lot of noise out there. Wasn't hard to follow. You live close by? You knew about this place already, and organized some effort to get inside. So you probably also knew the stash was there.
Just passing through. Decided to see what we could scavenge.
Uh-huh. And you just got extra lucky. You look a little young to be out on your own. You got a group? Count you plus the two outside, I'm thinking maybe more?
Tell me about your group first.
I miss the days when we were all so goddamn cagey. It's just me and my ugly face out here. Lonely, ugly, and hungry. Now, I'm gonna fill this pack real slow.
We worked hard to get this stuff.
Well, hey there, Squirt. Playing hide and seek, are we? Now that's impolite.
Don't steal from us.
I'm not stealing. This isn't yours.
I can kill you, you know.
Come on, kid. I'm faster than you. Listen up, Squirt. You're gonna quit pointing that gun at me and let me go my Mary. You understand? I'm just gonna take a little bit, then I'm leaving. Like it never happened.
AJ, get down!
You piece of shit!
What the fuck? Just take a bag and fill it up.
¿Listo? Nos fuimos. Y me parece que fue la mejor decisión. Bueno, le enseñamos a AJ. Primero si nos distrae. Vámonos.
What happened in there?
Just move. I'll tell you on the way.
Y bueno, gente, hasta aquí con el episodio del día de hoy. Recuerden que subo video todos los días. En el día de mañana les voy a estar trayendo el siguiente episodio de esta serie. Recuerden suscribirse, ya que subo videos todos los días. YouTube les va a estar avisando cuando esté subiendo videos si le dan a la campanita. Recuerden darle like al video, pásense por los comentarios para dejarme su recomendación de cualquier juego que les gustaría que traiga al canal. Recuerden que también en la parte de la descripción les dejo mi canal de Twitch. Sin más que decir, espero que tengan un buen día y nos vemos el día de mañana. Hasta luego.
to die.